Hello guys, I am Sagar Sonone and today I am going to discuss about the circulatory system. Means what is the circulatory system and the anatomy of the circulatory system, and then which organ and which types of vessels can include in the circulatory system, and last is this is related to circulatory system, means which type of disease is created to the which type of problem. Okay, so we can start from the circulatory system. Circulatory system is nothing but is a cardiovascular system. Okay, so circulatory system pumps blood from the heart to the lungs to get the oxygens and to remove the carbon dioxides. Okay, so heart then send oxygenated blood through the through the arteries to the rest of the bodies. Veins carry poor oxygen blood back to the heart to start the circulations process. Okay, so heart and blood vessels can make the circulatory system. Means there are the two types of organ, that is a heart and blood vessels can make the circulatory system. So main function of the circulatory system is to provide oxygen, then nutrient and hormones to the muscle, tissue and organs throughout the body. So another part of the circulatory system is to remove waste from the cells and the oxygens, cells and the organ, so body dispose it. Okay, means some waste like circulatory system can help to remove the carbon dioxide and another byproduct from the heart. So that is the functions of the circulatory system. So heart pumps blood to the body through the network of the arteries and the veins. Okay, circulatory system main function is to move blood throughout the body, and blood circulation keeps organ, muscles and tissues so healthy and working to keep alive. So circulatory system also help body to get rid of waste product. This material include carbon dioxide from the respirations, other chemicals and byproducts from organ, and the waste from things you eat and drink. Okay, so circulatory system function with the help of blood vessels and that can include arteries, veins and capillaries. Those blood vessels work with the heart and lungs to continuously circulate blood through the body. Okay, so now we can see about the anatomy of the circulatory system, means which organ can include in the circulatory system and how they can work. Okay, so first organ or the first organ in the circulatory system, that is a heart. Okay, heart is a muscular organ that pump blood throughout the body. Another is a blood vessel. Blood vessel is nothing but which includes arteries, capillaries and the veins. Okay, and blood last is a blood. Blood make red blood cell and white blood cells, plasma, platelets. Okay, so there are three main types of blood vessel which we can talk about a few times ago. So that is a first is artery, second is a capillary and third is a veins. So first is a artery. What is a artery? So artery is nothing but a thin muscular tube. Okay, they carry oxygenated blood away from the heart and every part of the body. Artery is the aorta is the longest artery. Arteries start at the heart and travels up the chest and down to the stomach. Coronary arteries is a branch of the aorta, which then branch into the smaller arteries and they get further from your heart. Now second we can talk about the blood vessel, that is the veins. Okay, those blood vessels return oxygens and depleted blood to the heart. Okay, so veins start small and get the larger as they you heart. The two central veins deliver the blood, so that is the to our heart. First is a superior vena cava and second is a inferior vena cava. Okay, so superior vena cava carries blood from the upper body to the heart, and another is the inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava brings blood up from the body to the heart. Okay, so veins in the legs have walls to keep blood from prolong backward. Okay, then last is the last blood vessel is the capillary. Those blood vessels connect very small arteries and veins. Capillaries have the thin wall, and that allow oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrient, waste product to pass out of the cells. Now another, that is, the heart is the only circulatory organ. Blood goes from the heart to the lung and to get the oxygen. Okay, lung are the part of the respiratory system, and the heart then pumps oxygenated blood through the arteries to the rest of the body. Now we can see about the disease related to the circulatory system. There are number of diseases that can include in the circulatory system, and they can affect the circulatory system. Means due to this function cannot be properly, and diseases can occur. Okay, so we can see about the few diseases in the circulatory system. That is a high blood pressure, then lung deposits, coronary artery disease, venous disease, and the strokes. Okay, so we can see one by one about all those diseases. So first is a high blood pressure. Arteries work hard to circulate the blood throughout the body. When pressure gets too high, then develop the high blood pressure. Another is a lung deposit. Due to a high cholesterol, high blood pressure in the walls of the arteries, a plug can be developed. Due to this developed plug, next after some time, atherosclerosis can be occur. Okay, so due to person death can be possible. Another is like heart attack. This can occur due to the due to the plug can be developed in the arteries or the walls of the arteries. Another is a venous disease. They can affect and veins lower the body. Another is a coronary artery disease. Okay, due to this coronary artery disease, person can also person can death. And last is the strokes. Strokes occurs due to the blood clot block artery in the brain and reduce blood pressure. That's all about the circulatory system. In today's video, we can see about all the information related to circulatory system, their functions, their organs, anatomy, and diseases, how they can affect and they can occur the diseases. Thank you.